All right, first things first for this assignment, I'm going to read it to you. I want you to follow along with me. All right, so the family garden. Grayson and Sophia pleaded with their parents to let them start a garden. They have asked for years, but their parents always said it would be too much work. Grayson and Sophia promised they would do all the work. They were shocked when this spring their parents finally said yes. Grayson and Sophia got right to work. They did some research about what type of dirt to use. They learned how to get the soil just right before planting. They worked all weekend getting the ground ready. Soon they were able to plant tomato, peas, corn, cucumber, and peppers. Sophia watered and picked seeds in the mornings. Grayson did the same at night. When summer was ending, it was time to harvest their garden. Picking the vegetables was their favorite part. They promised to make next year's garden even bigger. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do after you've read it with me is do the understand it questions over here. Now for these, you'll just drag over one of these red circles and put it where your answer is, but I'll go ahead and read them for you. Number 1, the word shocked in the passage means, does it mean sad, lazy, relaxed, or surprised? Number 2, what is one other thing needed to grow a garden? Wood, grass, the sun, or ants? What is needed for a garden? Number 3, growing a garden is most like A, taking care of a pet, B, watching TV, C, playing video games, or D, riding a bike. Number 4, what is the most important event? A, planting corn, B, working every day, C, watching the dirt, or D, asking for help. Now, this is one of the 3 things you need to do, okay? So once you do that, I want you to come down here and do your vocabulary. Now it says copy the bold words from the passage and use context clues to define each word. So one of the words is harvest. See, it's bolded. So you'll come down here and you'll type harvest. And then soil. And then research. And so forth. And then you'll come over here and you'll type what it means. I think harvest means blah, or soil means blah, blah. You're going to tell me. Obviously, don't type blah or IDK or anything like that. Just give me a definition based off of the passage. And then finally, there's this one. This one's a little bit harder. I understand it might not be the most fun, but we've done it before. So you're going to grab these. Oop. Hold on. There you go. We're going to grab these. See, this one's red, blue. I'm not sure why they're not in the same order as the crayons. Kind of frustrating, but it'll be okay. Okay, so for the red ones, we're going to find suffixes. Suffixes are at the end of a word. So let me grab another one and come up here and find one. Okay, so planting has a suffix of ing. So that one can be red. Blue are words with 2 vowels together. So let me grab another one. Let me scroll up. Let's see. Let's do soil. Soil has 2. There we go. Soil has 2 vowels together. Words that end with a vowel. Let's see. I'm not sure if I can find any of those. I'm not very good at finding those. Okay, I found one, I think. Let's get a green and scroll up again, and tomato. That ends in a vowel. Okay, and then conjunctions. I'm going to let you do that one. Now, just because I did these 3 doesn't mean I'm done. Try to find some more words, okay? You get 6 points for doing this. I want to see some effort. Now, if they're not all right, that's okay. But I don't want you to just turn it in. I don't want you to just drag these circles over here, answer these 4 questions and turn it in. Because you get points for everything you do. I think your work is important, but I want to see your work. Just because you're home doesn't mean that I don't want to see your work. So answer these questions first. When you're done answering the questions, come down here and do your vocabulary. Now I'll leave these typed for you to save you a little time. And I'll leave these examples here, but I know that I did planting, tomato, and soil. So I want to see more than planting, tomato, and soil. I see some words that can be orange, so I know that there should be some orange highlighted here as well. And I know you can do it. So do your best. Let me know if you need any help. And have a great Tuesday.